Cherry Bomb Pro exhaust tone test run number 1. It's definitely better than a straight pipe. Slow down, do it again. It's a lot quieter. The tone is, it sounds like a 50 series Flowmaster is what it sounds like. I had a Dodge Dakota V8 318 a long time ago that I put a 50 series Flowmaster on. This little $35 Cherry Bomb Pro sounds very similar. So since I'm 35 and not 18 anymore, the notion of having an incredibly loud truck doesn't really do it for me. So I'll probably still order a glass pack just to try it, because I kind of like the unique tone of a glass pack. But for right now, this is going to do the trick.